if you look at that half moon there, that's from a fish coming up from underneath and grabbing that. It actually bent out the original trebles, so I put on thicker trebles, and I took the trebles off the back and I put on a single hook. So hopefully this simple modification will help. Try not to foul hook any duckies. Shoot. Goddamn bird. Whoa! Gonna have to take this out. Come on, guy. This is the...
hold the pole.
I gotta get the pliers.
Can be yeah. Can be phong here. Be phong here. I think the pole. You can go.
Oh, he has talons too. I don't know. Whoa. I can need a towel to put over him. Okay.
Your first catch of the day.
Yeah, unfortunately. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Okay, watch your fingers. Gonna take the second one out. There. Okay. Perfect.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, look at the ducks take off too. Man, that was the only catch today. Oh yeah. Oh, be careful with those teeth.
Yeah. What do you think that weighs?
Maybe about
2 pounds?
2 pounds. 1.5.
1.5, yeah.
About 1.5 maybe. Yeah, alright. At least you caught that. That's good.